Welcome to Baupanel. As with the construction of traditional property, the first step is to prepare and lay the foundations. The panels are lighter than traditional materials, which mean the foundations can be much shallower and narrower, using less raw building materials and saving time and money. Whilst the foundations are drying, corrugated bars are set at approximately 350 mm high into the foundations and 400 mm apart in a staggered formation. The panels will be attached to these bars at a later stage. Once the foundations have set and hardened, the vertical panels can begin to be placed in position, preferably starting with one corner of the build, and working outwards, forming the different rooms according to the building's designed floor plans. It is advisable initially to hold the vertical panels in place with supports, whilst adjusting the vertical level with a plumb line or spirit level. Once the true vertical has been found, adjust the supports to compensate and begin to attach the panels to each other and to the corrugated bars set in the foundations. It is very important to attach the panels to the foundations and to each other properly, using wire, in order to guarantee the continuity of the mesh across all elements of the system. This job can be carried out using automatic tools or simple engineering pliers. Once all the vertical walls have been installed, the next step is cut out the openings for the windows and doors. Alternatively, you can cut out the positions in advance before the walls have been erected, depending on your preference. This allows you to implement changes to a job on site. After the openings have been created, the window and door frames can be cemented into place. All of the joints between the panels must be reinforced inside and out using angular and flat mesh in order to ensure continuity across all of the wall panels. The mesh reinforcement will ensure that the system works as a single element once the concrete has been sprayed. The lightness and simplicity of Baupanel means that installation on site is fast and easy, which saves money primarily on account of the decreased installation time needed. Once all of the vertical wall panels have been built and attached, you can install the horizontal ceiling panels, which also form the first floor. The floor-to-wall joint